Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang 6th generation and you need to remove or replace the knee airbag in the feet. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools and you want to save quite a bit of money guys, get them at a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Number two, as you know, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So now let's go ahead, start on it now. First, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, they can kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Second, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before guys, messing with airbags, so the system can discharge. Third, on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect. First, if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system as well guys. So now guys, what do we need to do? We need to get a prying removal tool. We need to remove that trim piece. So that trim piece, if we get a prying removal tool, we're going to go underneath it, and there is a few places where it will have clips. A few places where you may have multiple clips. So let's go ahead and see if we can find them, to come out, because it will be quite tight guys. Let's see now. Oh, I almost came out on this side. Perfect. Coming out now. Careful with these two. Snap together probably here. Let me see what's happening here so we can actually analyze. Right here there is one clip, plastic clip, right here. So if we come over here in an angle, let's see if the two will come together out at the same time then. And I broke the plastic prying too, but the thing didn't come out. Those clips are extremely tight. So the first thing guys, that we need to do, let's explain now. First we need to remove that piece here, because that piece, goes, on top of this piece. So first we need to start right there with a clip removal tool or prying tool. Just be careful guys, because everything is so tight on this car. Somebody tried to remove that in the past probably. You can see the plastic tool is broken. We have another clip right here on top. And that trim piece came out. Check it out, just like that. Now we need to continue with the next one. So now, one bolt with 7mm socket, we can go ahead, remove that one. You will need to remove that to replace the switch or to replace knee airbag, anything like that. Here you have multiple clips that we need to pry. Just be careful guys, when you pry. Came out pretty easy. So 2 clips, metal ones on top, 2 on the bottom. All we have to do to disconnect it, press down here and pull it out. Next we need to come to the right side, and right here there is another panel that we need to remove, and I think that's where the thing for the climate control is. Right here, that fell out because the airbag exploded. So here you will have a few more clips again, and you need to get a clip removal too. And we practically just need to remove a few. On the bottom it's loose, it's just on top. If we can get on top here, I think it will come out. Perfect. Now later you need to reinstall your thing here for the for the climate control. I believe that one is, because right here you can see we'll have a screw and a bolt. Screw right there, 7mm. Let's go ahead and remove that one now. That's for the airbag guys, right there, for the knee airbag. Perfect. Now let's come to this side right here. We have two more that we need to remove. Alright, this one is about to come out. Let's see underneath. We might have, okay, let me get the light on there, see if we have any there, okay, on that panel only here. And let's inspect what we have specifically. Okay, for that specific little panel, let's go ahead, okay, and pull this one out. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Now that's the switch for the, okay, for the trunk release right here. Press down and disconnect it, just like that. So next, right here, if you come underneath, you have 3 bolts holding the airbag, okay, still there. But before we do that, right here, you have one more with a 7mm one screw, okay, that we need to go ahead and remove. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So it's coming out, perfect. Now on the back side, okay, we have 3 bolts. Okay, let's see if it's 8 or 10mm. That's what we're trying to do now, to see exactly which one it is. It looks like it's a 10mm. And the first one, if you look at it, okay, the first nut, okay, is right here. The second one is right there. And the third one is over there. So we'll go ahead and remove those, not to waste your time, guys, and we'll continue. So now on the back side, we will go ahead and remove all 3 of them, guys. It's 10mm, okay? So once we do that, okay, we'll show you how to disconnect the wires and continue with the next step after that. So working on the last one now, okay, everything on top looks like it's unhooked. Okay, I think we should be ready, guys, okay, to probably, okay, grab it. Okay, we have a couple clips, it looks like. Okay, let's see if we have anything else holding. Nope. Now the wires came on the side, guys. Okay, wires came off. How? That's a different question. I think it's been removed here from the body shop, because that wire is supposed to be connected. When you disconnect it, okay, now let me tell you one thing. When you work on airbag system, if you're not qualified and certified, don't do it, because they can kill you. Second, make sure you disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before the repairs. That way, okay, can minimize the chance for something terrible to happen, but it still could happen. Number 3, consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video. But how do you disconnect it? You grab that connector, guys, okay, and that orange thing, okay, comes up. Okay, the orange piece comes up. I cannot do it because, okay, let me pass the camera quick, so I can grab it with 2 hands. And never use metal tools or anything like that. I know I'm blocking the view a little bit. Okay. Let me get a plastic prying tool and I'll try, okay, to pull it up and show you. You're supposed to pull the middle part and then continue with the next. So you can see that orange piece goes up and then you just straight disconnect that airbag pretty easily, guys. You can see just like that. So yeah, that's how you remove the knee airbag. If you need help with anything, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing that. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.